Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I've got this beautiful 1400 Hiline, and we are gonna look in their one bedroom. This is not a model, this is just their apartment, but it's open, it's really pretty. We're gonna go in and look inside. So this is what it looks like. Oh wow, this is just gorgeous. Wow, okay, look at this beautiful apartment. It is so crisp and clean and pretty. Look at the floor to ceiling windows that you see here. This is stunning. And then look at this humongous balcony. Wow. Wow. Okay, we're going to explore that in just a minute. Let's explore first the kitchen area. This is super cute. Got a lot of cool stuff going on here. This is very, very nice. I love all the white, the crisp kind of off-white cream colors that are here. You've got that pantry that's here. You do have the washer and dryer included. That's all super pretty, but look at this. It's just super, super nice. Love the appliances. The appliances are very pretty. It's a Frigidaire fridge with an ice maker and just super crisp, clean look and feel. But then we're back here. Wow. Okay, so you walk in and just all the light that is here, it's available. It's super fun to see this. Let's step out on the balcony real quick. That's just inviting me, waiting to say, hey, come see me. So let's go see it right now. Hey, beautiful, beautiful look and feel out here. This is a humongous balcony. Hey, and this is available at the time of this filming. It's available and it's ready for you to get this. It's gorgeous. Now this is on the amenity floor. This is a 6th floor, so we're going to explore the amenities in just a minute too. But this is a very pretty unit. Now you can see the outside that looks like this. Super, super pretty apartment here. Wow, that's one of the biggest balconies I've seen in Dallas in a high-rise. So just kudos on that. Beautiful, beautiful balcony. Hey, we're gonna do a part 2 video here. We're gonna see the bedroom and the bathroom. It's gonna be short, but it's gonna be coming up right next. If you're ready to tour this beautiful apartment, send me a text. Just use the number below. We can set up those tours virtual or live at any time, and it's part of our 100% free service to find your perfect place in Dallas. So the number's below, send me a text.